Recently, I've had a lot of parents and students asking me how to sign into Chrome and so Google when they're at home, and especially now with online learning and distance learning. So I'm going to go through a step-by-step here with how to do that and just the different things and why we do it. So if you look at the top of your Chrome browser, so you've opened Chrome, and you look up here where my cursor is just circling the two circles. You'll see Madame Innes there, and underneath there you'll see again my Google account. I'm going to click on the top circle that says Madame Innes, and what I'm going to do is just going to add another person, my son in fact, so that you can see the whole step by step. So you're going to start by adding a person, and you're going to select, you can select a nice little icon for them, and you're going to type their name in, or they'll type their own name in. And you can just walk them through it, and you'll click add. So this screen will come up, and underneath the Get Started button, it says already a Chrome user, which your child is, and they're going to sign in. They're going to use their school EPSB account. And so what that is generally the first initial, dot, and then the last name. Occasionally, if it's a popular last name, or there's several people in the same family, there might be a number or a letter. Hopefully your child will know. If not, just contact your child's teacher. And then always the student email addresses end in @share.epsb.ca. And then they'll enter their password. And then this will pop up. So this is link your Chrome data to this account. You want your child to click on link data. This will allow the apps, the bookmarks, the history, passwords, all of those things will then follow. It makes it a lot easier when they're signing into Mathletics, their Google Classroom, any of those apps that they usually use. They'll have immediate access because we've already used sign in with Google. And so that should help with the sign-ins and that type of thing. So I'm going to link the data, turn sync on. Yes, I'm in. And so this is my son's. And you'll notice at the top next to the address bar, or the search bar, the apps will start, and extensions will start to populate. So you'll see the icon for Classroom, for Gmail. There's a translation button there. You'll also see one come up for Read and Write for Google, etc. So that'll be what you see there, and they can get into their Gmail. They can click on on the Google waffle here, and that will also list all of the different apps, or some of the different apps, actually most of them, that are available to them, because we have Google for Education with Edmonton Public. So, and again, there's the Read and Write for Google. I'm not going to go through that today, but if you have some specific questions about that, just send me an email. And when Ben is done, what I'm going to ask him to do is he's going to go to his little face there, and he's going to turn the sync off. This will mean that his brother or sister, when they get to this computer, if they're sharing a computer, won't be able to access his schoolwork. So he's going to go to Benjamin Innes, and he's going to turn off the sync. It's going to clear and continue